Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, I'm going to explain you Class 6 Mathematics Chapter 3 Exercise 3.2. Okay, so in this video, I will explain this exercise to you, and if you have any doubt in this exercise, so don't worry about it. In the end of this video, you will have not a single doubt in this exercise. Okay, so let's start with our first question. So what is the first question? The first question is that write all the factors of the following numbers. Okay, now like this is given 36. Okay, so we have to write the factors of the 36. So let's understand what is the factors. So generally factors are nothing. These are the only numbers which is going to be divided by the particular number. Okay, you will not understand. Okay, I will explain again to you. Let's suppose this is 4. Okay, so I am telling you write the factor of the 4. So what is the factors? Factors are nothing, that are the tables which going to be divide 4. Okay, in the which table this 4 is going to be divided. So one table 4 will going to divide, in 2 table the 4 have to be divided, in 3 table no, in the 4 table yes. After the 4 is any other table will divide? No, it is not possible. 5 table it is not there, 6, so last is 4 only. So this number you are looking, these are the tables which divide 4. Okay na, and these numbers are only factors. So factors are simple, the number which divide the particular numbers. Okay na, that is the only factors. Let's take another example. This is a 12. I'm telling you write the factor of the 12. So how you will write the factor of 12? Simply the number which divide the 12, that is the only factor. Okay na, so let's count with the 1. 1 will divide 12, yes. 2 will also divide 12, yes. 3 will also divide 12, that's correct. 4 also divide the 12, yeah. 5 will divide the 12, no, it will not. 6 will divide 12, yes. It's 7 will divide 12, no. 8, in the 8 table 12 are there, no. 9 table 12 are there, not. 10 table 12 are there, not. 11 table 12 are there, not. But 12 table 12 are there. So these are the numbers which have 12, these numbers divide 12s. Okay now, that's why these are the factors. Factors are nothing, factors are the simple, the number which divide this 12, that are the only factors. So here 1 to 12, these are the numbers which are dividing the 12s, and that are the only factors. Okay na, factors will be going till 12 only. If it is going to be, it is given 10, so we have to count factor, we have this number 10 will divide only till 10th number only. Okay na, like this is going to be if you find a factor of 10, then you will start from 1 to 10 only. If it is going to be, if you looking for the 4, then the 4 will divide from 1 table to 4 table only. If you count 12, 12 will also divide from 1 table to 12 table only. Okay na, like 36 is there, 36 will divide from 1 table to 36 table only. After that, if you count like 5 table, in 5 table 4 are there, not in the 4 table. If 5 table will you get 4? No. After the 13 table, can you get, after the 13 if you count 14, 15, any infinity, will you get 12 in that table? No. So the particular number is given, in the down of the number, in the below the table you will find their factors, but after that given number you will not find the factors. Generally this is a basic things. Okay, now let's find the factor of the 10. So you will find factors of 10s only from the 10 digit only, 10 table only, last 10 table you will find out the factors. After that you will not find. Okay, 11 table not there, 12 table not, 13, 14, 15 not there in the table. So last you will start from 1 and you will go till 10 table only. After that there is you will not find. Okay, let's start. So 1 table 10 are there, 2 table 10 are there, 3 table 10 are not there, 4 table 10 are not there, 5 table it is there, in 6 table 10 are not there, 7 table 10 is there, no. 8 table 10 are there, not. In 9 table 10 are there, no. In the 10 table 10 is there. So last this is the. After that if you count in 11 table is 10 are there, no. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20. In 20 table, 30 table, 100 table, if you count, 10 will be not there in that. Okay, so factors are the nothing, factors are the only that table which divide that particular numbers. Okay na. Okay, so let's talk about the 36. Okay na, so this is a 36. We have to find the factors of 36. So simply let's count from the 1 to 36. In 1 table 36 are there, yes, 1 table 36 there. In 2 table 36 are there, yes, it will be. In 3 table 36 are there, yes, it is there. In the 4 table 36 are there, okay, it is there. Let's count 4 9 ja, yeah, it is there. In 5 table 36 are there? No. In 6 table 36 are there? Yes, it is there. 6 6 are. In 7 table 36 are there? No. 8 table 36 are there? No. 9 table 36 are there? Yes. Okay, 9 4 ja. Okay, it is there. Okay, now 10 table 36 are there? No, it is not there. 11 table, not. 12 table, yes, in the 12 table 36 are there. In the 13, no. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. In the 18 table it is there. After that, if you count 19 table, 20 table, 21, 22, 30, okay, 21, okay, and after that if you count any table, 36 are not there. So last the factor will be 36 only. Okay, so these are the numbers which divide the 36, and the number which is divide 36, that are the only factors. Okay na, like 1 dividing, 2 dividing, 3, okay na, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. These are the dividing the 36. That are the factors. Okay, the factors are nothing. The number which divide that particular given number, that are the only factors. Okay, is it completed? So let's talk about 23. Okay, now this is given 23. Okay, let's take the red pen here. This is given 23. Write the factor of 23. Let's start from the 1, because we start from 1, we go till 23 only. Why? Because after the 23, if you count, you will not get any factor. You will not divide that number after that. In 24 table, after the counting 24 to the, if you go infinity also, you will not get 23 in any table of that. Okay na? So you will count from the last 23 tables we have to go. Okay na? Let's start with the 1 table. So is 1 table 23 is there? Yes, it is there. In 2 table 23 are there? No. If you count in the any table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 table, 6 table, 7 table, 8 table, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Is in that table there is a 23 is a not in that tables. So 23 in the table of only 23. Okay, 23 will be divided by 1 only and 23 only. After that there is a in other table it is not going to be divided. Okay na, right? So let's talk about the 96. Okay, so this is a 96. Okay, this is a 96. Okay, I'm writing with another pen. I will take few of the time to you to explain, but I explain very clear to you. Okay, now this is 96. Okay, now let's find the factor of the 96. So let's start with 1. We will, in the 1 table 90 is 96 there. In the 2 table it is there. Okay, in 3 table is 96 are there. Okay, in 2 table it is there. In 3 table it is there. Yes, it is there. In the 4 table it is there. Yes, it is there. In 5 table, no. In the 6 table, is it there? Let's count. This is a, if you divide by 6, then if you know, if it is divisible by 2 and 3, then it is always divisible by 6. So in 6 table it is there or not. In 7 table it is there? No, it is not there in 7. Is 8 table it is there? Yes, it will divide by 8. 9 table it is there? No. 10 table, not. 11 table, it is not there, but it is on the, like if you count, if you go 9 table, 10 table and etc. In the 12 table, if you count 12 table it is there. In 16 table it is there. 17 table 96 is not there. If you count 18 table also 96 is not there. If you count like 20 table also 96 is not there. 21 table, 23, 24. In the 24 table it is there in the 4 times. Okay, if you count 24 table in 4 times, you will get that. Okay na? Okay, so let's talk about another one. In 32 table it is there. If you count 32 table in 3 times, then it is there. Okay, then after, if you count the 48 tables, if you count in the 48 tables, it is there in 2 times. Okay na? In the 48 table it is there. Okay, after that, if you count other tables, it is not there. So it is last 96. Okay, so these are the only numbers which divide 96, and the number which are dividing, that are the only factors. So these are the 96, this is 96, and the factor of 96, these are the only. The number which divide the 96, that are the only factors. So these are the factors. Is it clear to you? Right. So let's talk about the 115. This is given. Okay, what is given? It is 115. So let's start. Let's count like that. You can do such type of also. You can do like that also. Like this is, it is also in 1 table. 1 into 15 you can say. You can do like that also. Okay. In 2 table also it there. No, it is not there. In 3 table it is there. No, it is not there. 4 table it is there. No, it is not there. In 5 table it is there. Yes, 5 table it is there. In how many times it is there? 5 table. So 5 cross, you can write like that also. Simply go look at this one. Don't look this. Okay, don't look this one. Okay, look this. I will explain. You can do this by two ways. Okay, in 5 table it is there. How many times? It is 2 or 23 times. Okay, 6 table it is there. No, it is not there. But after that, if you count 7 8 any table, it is not there. After that, it is in the last 5 tables, that is 1 times only. So you know what is the factor of this? These are the numbers. Okay, these are the factors. I hope you will understand or not, I don't know, but I will explain again to you. If I talk about write the factors directly, okay, I will erase this one again, and now I will tell you again. I am telling write the factors of this. Factor means this is going to be divisible by which number? Is it divisible by 1? Yes, it is divisible. Is it divisible by 2? No. 3 table it will going to divide? No. It is divisible by 5 only. After that, is it divided by other number? No. Last 23 number it is going to divide. After the 23, it is going to be divided by 115 only. Okay na? You can do these factors by another way also. This is a right way. Okay na? You can do like that also, because I have idea, so I did like that. But let's suppose you don't have idea how you can do. You can simply do like that also. Like this is here now. So in 1 table it is there. In how many times? 115 times. Okay na? In 2 table it is there. No. In the 5 table is there. 5 table how many times? 23 times. Okay na? In 5 table 23. Okay. Is it after that or another table it is there? No. It is there in the 115 times, that is 1. So you get already factor. So you can write these factors. Like here, which is this 1 you can write. Then after this 5 is there, you can write 5. This is 23 is there, write 23. Okay. Then after this is okay. Okay na? This is here, it is given 155, 1 write 155. Why I didn't write 155? Because here already it is there. Why here I didn't write 1 2 times? Why? Because already it is there. So you can do like that also. Like this, you can say this 36 are there na? So you can 36, you can do like that also. In 1 table it is there. In how many times? 36 times. Okay. In 2 table it is there. How many times? You can write like 18 times. So it means that in 3 table it is there. Yes. How many times? It is into 12 times. Okay na? In 4 table it is there. Yes, it is there. How many times? 9 times. Okay na? In the after that, in the 6 table it is there. Yes, it is in the 6 times. In 7 table it is there. No. 9 table. Yes, 9 table already here I written. In 10 11 12, yes, it is already in 12. 13 14 16 18, yeah, it is already in 18. 36 then. So you can write the factor like that also. 1 2 3 4, and then after 6 is 2 times, don't write 2 times. Then after 9, this, then after 12, then after 18, then after 36. So you can do like that also. Okay na? Simply. So these are the things. Okay na? You can, whatever you are multiplying and whatever you get product, you can do like that. The answer will be same. Okay na? So I hope you will understand the factorization. Okay na? These are the factors. These are the very simple question. Nothing hard in this one. Okay na? These are the very simple, not complicated things. Okay, right? Is it clear to you? Right. So let's talk next to you. Okay, now here let's see which of the following are the pairs of co-primes number. Okay, now let's talk about the co-prime numbers. You know what is the co-prime number? Co-prime numbers means which have only one factor. Co-prime means the number which have only one factor. Only one factor. Factor means they have this 18 have to be divided by only one number, and this 35 have to be divided by that on only one number, and both are have to same number. That are the only co-prime numbers. I hope you not I know you are not understanding. How you will understand? I explain you. Let's suppose this is 4 are there and this is 8 are there. I am asking you, is it this co-prime number? You will say, how you can find this is co-prime or not? Simply what you do, just write the factor of the 4. What is the factor of 4? It is divisible by 1, it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 4. So this is a factor of a 4. Now let's write the factor of 8. Write the factor of 8. It is divisible by 1, it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3, no, 4, yes. Is it divisible by 8? Yeah. So now let's see how many numbers are matching here. Yes, 1 1, both are same 2 2, both are same 4 4, both are same. Is this number, is 4 or 8 have only one factor? No, it have 1 2 3, it have 3 same factors. So this is a not co-prime number. This is a not a co-prime. Co-primes have to be only one factor. that is only one factor. This 1 1 you are looking, this have to be only one factor, but here 2 2 are also factor, 4 4 both in this, both are same only, so this is not a co-prime. Okay, so let's talk about another one. Okay, let's take another example. If I tell you, let's suppose this is 5 is there and this is 17 are there. Okay, I'm asking you, is it co-prime? Let's check it out. Write the factor of 5. So you know what is the factor of 5? It is going to divisible by 1 and 5 only. 17, the factor of 17 is it going to divisible by 1 and 17? If you see, it have only one common factor. This is the 1 1 only, 1 1 only. After that, is it common in this? No. So it have only one common factor, that is 1 only. So this is our co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers means simply it have to be only one factor. Okay, like that. These are the only co-primes number. Okay, let's take another example. Let's suppose this is a 23 and this is a 63, not 63. I will take, this is a 12. Let's suppose this is a 12. Write the factor of 23. So if you write the factor of 23, then it is 1 and 23 only. If you write the factor of 12, then it is going to be 1. Okay, it is going to be okay. This, the factor of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. This is a factor of 12 and this is a factor of 23. In this one, which is same? 1 1 only same. In 23 other, if you look at this one, 23 is there in this? No, only 1 1 are there. So here the common factor is 1 only. Here the common factor are 1 1 only. It means that this is our co-prime number. Co-prime means simply it have to be only one factor, that is the 1 1. It have to be only one common factor. Okay, in this co-prime it have to be only one common factor, that is 1. Okay, I hope you will understand. If you understand, then let's do our exercise. Okay, I explain question very clearly and very easy way to you. Okay, na? That's why I take lot of example. So if you want to learn perfectly, then you have to be understand that. If I give the answer to this exercise, then you will see the answer in your textbook also. If you looking for the answer, solution of this answer, then you can look it in your textbook also. Textbook have also answer in the last page. But if you need to understand this properly, then you have to be understand. Okay, for the I will take a lot of time, like 13 to 14 minutes, but I am guarantee to you this chapter will be very clear to you. Okay, so let's do this. So let's talk about this here. So we have to check this is a co-prime or not. So this is a 18 are there. Okay, this is 35 are there. Okay, let's write the factor of 18 and 35. So if you write the factor of 18, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4, not 4, it is going to be 6 and it is 9 and it is 18. This is a factor of 18. If you write the factor of 35, so how you can write the factor of 35? Okay, simply you can write factor of 35 like that. It is divisible by 1 also, it is divisible by 2, 3, 5, it is divisible by 5, it is divisible by 7, and is it divisible by other number also? Will you notice? Okay, is it divisible by other number like 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15? Is it divisible by 15? No. After that, it will going to divisible by 35 only. Last 35. So we can do like that also. This is 18 are there na? Let's do like that also. This is divisible by 1 into 18 times. Okay. This is divisible by 2 into 9 times. It is divisible by 3 into 6 times. It is divisible by 4, not 5, not 6. 6 into 3 times. It is already. So the factor is 1, 2, 3. It is already. Then after 6, 9 or 18. It is already. Okay. So you can do like that also. And this is given 35 na. So you can do. You can find a factor like that also. This is going to be divided 1 by 35. Okay. It is going to divide 2, 3, 5. No. 5. It is going to be divided by 5. 5, 7 is 35. And now after that it is going to be divided by 7 into 5. It is already there. 7 into 5. Okay na. 7 is already there. So after that, is it divided by other number? No, that's going to be 35 cross 1. So already it is there. So you can write factor like this. 1, 1, this is 1, 5, okay, 1, 5 and 7 and 35. Okay, because 1 is there and 35 is there. So here both are same only, na? 35, 1. So you can write only one time. So that's why. Like you will not understand. This is clearly, I explain you again. So, okay. let's take back. So this is 1 are there, yes, 1 is already there, 5 is there, 5 is there. Now here this is 7 are there, yes, 7 are there, 35 is there, 35 is there. So here 35 1 is left, so already it is there now, 1 and 35 already there, so we don't have to write 2 times, okay na? That's why. So factor are same. Now we take it the factor. First we have to take the factors. We already taken the factor. In this factor we have to see the which numbers are common in this. Here if you see 1 1 are the common. After that is this 5. In this 5 there, no. 7 are there, it is 7 in there, no. 35 is there, 35 is there, no, it is not. So this number have only one common factor. If this number have one common factor, it means that this is a co-prime number. So this is a co-prime number. So you can write this is our co-prime number. Okay, this is our co-prime number. Okay, is it clear? This is a co-prime. Now let's check this question. Okay, now let's take the factor of 116, okay, and 115. Okay, so how you can take the factor? Simply you have to do with, like you can do with 1, that is going to be 126. You can with 2, that is going to be 108, and you can take with the 3. In 3 table it is there, like 7 times and 2 times. Okay, 7 2 times. Okay, then after 4 table it is there, yes, in the 5 or 4 times. Okay, and 5 table it is there, no. 6 table it is there, let's count. 6 if you count 6 table, then 6 18 and 3 is 36. Yeah, it in 6 table it is there. 6 3 is 18 and this 3, 6 6 are 36. In 36 times it is there. 7 table it is there, no. 7 14 14 it is not. 8 table it is there. 8 table yeah, it is there in 8 table. 8 table it is there. 8 to 8 ones are 8, and like if you count 8 2s are 16. If you divide this 16 and 16 after that 5 numbers is going 56. In the 8 table 8 sevens are 56, already it is there. Okay, so in 9 table it is there, let's count. 9 ones are 9, 18, no, it is not there in the 9 table. 10 table it is there, no. 12 table 12 after that, is it in the 12 table? If you can count that, is it there in 12 table or not? So I think is it not in the 12 table? Okay, now you have to count this is in the 12 table or not. Okay, so wait a minute, I will just look at this. This is 1 2 6, is it 12 tables? No, yes, it is in the 12 tables. Okay na, so it is in the 12 tables into the 18 times. Okay na, now is it in the 13 table? Okay, is it in the 13 table? Let's check it out. No, it is not there. Is it in 14 table? No, it is not. In the 15 table? No. In the 16 table? Not. In the 17 table? Not. In the 18 table? Yeah, it is there in 12 times. So already 18 is there. After it you will find out this in 27 table, 36 table, 54 tables, 22 table, 1 not, and this table. So this is clear. So what is the factor of 216? The factor of 126 is 1 2 3 4 5, then after not 5, that is the 6 8 12. After the 12 if you count, you will find 216 into the 18 table. Okay na, 18 table. Then after it will be in 27 table. Okay, after that, okay na, after that you will find this into 36 table. Okay, this is 36 table, then 54 table, then 22 table, then 108 table, and after that you will find this into the this is 116 table. Okay, so these are the factors of the 12. Okay, this is the factors of the 216. Okay, is it clear? You can find factor like that. Okay na? Okay, so now let's talk about the 215. So how you will find the factors of 215? Simply like that. Is it one table? Yes, it is in this type. Yeah, it is there in the one table. It is 2 table, it is there. No, it is not there. In 3 table it is there. If you count, this is not on the 3 table. Okay, right. Is it in the 4 table? No, it is not there. It is in the 6. Is it in the 6 table? No. Is it 7 table? No. It is 8 table. No, it is not there. In the 9 table it is there. No. In the 10 table it is there. No. 11 table it is there. No. In 12 table it is there. No. 13 table? No. Okay, 14 not. 15 not. Okay, 16 table not. 17 table not. 18 table not. 19 table, it is not there. So if you count 20 table, it is not there. 21 table, not. 22, not. 23, not. 24, not. 25 table, it is not there. 26 table, it is not there. 27 table, it is not there. Okay, but it is in the 5 table. If you count 5 table, it is divided by 5 tables. If you count other tables, you are not getting. But why it is in the 5 table? Because you know this will divide 5 table into 43 times. Okay na, in the 43 times. After that, if you count any other tables, it is not going to be divided. Last number, it is going to in the 6 table also. If you count 6 table also, it is not going to be divided. 7 table if you count, it is not going to be divided. So overall it will divide into 1 table also, 5 table only. And if you count like 25 table also, if you count 25 table, it is not going to be divided. So last, the factor of this 2 115 is the simply it is 1, and the factor is 5, the factor is 43, and the factor is 15. This one, this one, this one, and this. So this is a factor of 215. If you see this factor in this one, which is common, only 1 is common. After that, 5 is in this table, in here in the factor 5 is there, not there. 43 is there in this factor, not there. Is 215 is there, not there. So it means that this number have only one common factor, and if it have one common factor, then it is our co-prime numbers. It is our co-prime number. So you can write this is the co-prime numbers. Okay, so these are the co-prime numbers. Is it clear? Right. So let's talk about 13 now. I will do fast. So find the factor of 30. So how you can find the factor of 30? Simply it is divisible by 1 table, 2 table. You can do like this. Okay na? It is going to be divided by 1. Okay, wait here. Okay, it is divisible by 1 by 30. It is going to divisible by 15 times. It is going to be divisible by 3 into 10 times. It is going to be divisible by 4. No, it is going to be divisible by 5 into 6 times. Okay, after that it is in the 6 table, after that it is in the 10 table, after that it is in the 15 table, after that it is in the 30 table last. Okay na? After the 5, if you counted 6, it is in the already there in the 6 table. Then after you will find it in the 10 table, 15 table, 30 table. So the factor of 30 is simply 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and that's 10, 15, and 30. This is a factor. Okay, right. So now let's find the factor of 45. Okay, so 45 in the factor, it have one factor. Is it into 2 factor? No. It have the 3 factor? No. It is 4. It is divisible by 4? No. It will be divided by 5. In 5, how many tables? If you count, this is going to be divided by this like that. And okay, this is 5 now, right? 5. Okay, in the 5 table it is there. Yes, in the 5 table, how many times? It is 83 times. Okay, now if you count other table also. Okay, so if you count another table, 6 table also, if it is there or not, let's check it out. In the 6 table is 8, 4, 1, 5. Is it in the 6 table? No, it is not there. In the 7 table, it is not there. 8 table, not there. 9 table, not. In the 10 table, it is not. 11 table, it is not there. So in the 12 table, not. It is in the 13, not. In 15, not. Let's see, it is in the 10 table, not. In 15 table it is there. Let's find out. In the 15 table it is there, not. Is it 30 table it is there? No, it is not there. So generally, if you find the factor of this, so generally these are the factors. Okay, so which is common in this one? Anything is common in this, like 83 is there. This is the factor, and 145, these are the factor. Okay, if I write again to you, I will write the factors of this one. Okay now, just wait. Okay, write the factor of 415. Okay, so it is going to be 1. Okay, it is going to be 5, it is going to be 83, and it is going to be 415. So in this one, any common are there? Yes, 1 are common, 5 are the common. Here we get 2 factors which is common, but we need to be only 1 common factors. We need only 1 common factor, but here there is a 2 common factor, 1 and 5. So it means that this is not our co-prime. So what answer you will write? You will write this is not a co-prime number. Okay na, co-prime number. Okay, I hope is it clear to you. So let's talk about this one. This 17, write a factor of 17 and 68. So if you write the factor of 17, then it is 1 and 17 only. If you write the factor of 68, So if you write the factor of 68, then it is 1, it is 2, it is 4, it is 17, it is 34, and it is 68. Okay, this is a factor of 68. Okay na? So here 1 are common, 70 are common. Here also there is a 2 common factors, but we need to be only 1 common factor, but here it is 2 common factors, so this is also not a co-prime. So you can write this is not a co-prime. Okay, what is it? It is not a co-prime. Okay, is it clear to you? Is 2 questions are clear to you? Right, so let's see the third question. Okay, third question are very easy. Okay, let's see. What is the greatest prime number between 1 and 20? Okay, so this is our question. So this question telling we have to find a greatest prime number. Okay, now what is greatest prime number between 1 and 15? You know what is the prime number? The number which is divisible. Okay, now like prime number are 1, 2. Okay, like if you talk about the prime number are that number which is not divisible by 2. Prime number means the number. Prime number, what is prime number? The number, okay, now which is not divisible by 2. Okay, now the number which is not divisible by 2, that are the prime numbers. Okay, now like what are the prime numbers? I will tell you. Like if you talk about prime numbers are 1, 2, 2. Okay, now 2, not 1, that is the okay. 2. Okay, now 2 are the prime numbers. After that, if you count like 3, 5, not like that also. The number which have only 2 factors. Okay, now prime numbers means not like this also, which is not exactly divisible by 2, but it is also have like which number have 2 factors only. 2 factors means like 2 have a 2 factors, that is 1 or itself. Okay, now so you can understand like that also. Prime, what are the prime numbers? Prime numbers means the number which have 2 factors, that is 1 or whatever the number is given, itself number only, that is the prime numbers. Okay, na, itself number. Like here 2 is there, it have 1 common factor, and after that 2 other common factors. 3 have also 1 is common factor, after that 3 other common factors. So common factor means the number, the prime number means the number which have only 1 or itself number. The number which is given, that is the only factor, or 1 is the factor. That are the only prime numbers. Okay, na? So it is telling you have to find the 1 to 20, between 1 to 20 prime numbers. Okay, so let's find it out. So prime numbers are the simple which have only 1 factor or itself factors. Okay, 2 factors have to be. Okay, na? So what are the prime numbers? So this is 2 are there, 3 is there, 4 there, 5 is there. Okay, not 4 have more than 2 factors. If you take the factor of 4, it have 1 factor, 2 factor, and 4 factor also. So it have, what is the rule of prime number? Prime number means if have to be 2 factors, that is 1, or the number which is given, that is 4. But here it is extra 2 are there na, so this is not a prime number. Okay, na? Remember this. So the prime factor is 5, not 6, not 7 is there, because it have 2 factors, that is 1 and 7. Factor is 11, 13, 17, and 19. So these are the greatest prime number between the 1 and 20. Okay, is it clear? Right, so now let's talk about the question number 4. Find the prime and composite number between 10 and 13. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find the prime numbers. Okay, we have to find the prime numbers and composites number between 10 to 30. Okay, na? 10 to 30 we have to find prime and composite numbers. So I hope you know the prime number. Prime numbers means that have 2 factors. Okay, that have 2 factors, that is 1 or itself number. That is the prime number. What are the composite number? Composite number means the number which have more than 2 factors. Composite number means the number, okay, which have more than, okay, now more than 2 factors. Like if you talk about 4 is not a prime number. Why? Because it have 1, 2, or 4. It is not a prime number. Why? Because it have not 2 factors, it have 3 factors. So if it is have more than 2 factors, then it is a composite number. Like 12 are there, it is a composite number because it have more than 2 factors, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Okay, na? That's why. Okay, na? Right, so let's see the answer of this one. Okay, composite numbers means more than two factors. Prime numbers means the number which have only two factors, that is 1 or itself number. Otherwise the number which is not exactly divisible by 2, that is the prime number. But here you know what objection will come. 2 is also prime number. Why? Because it have a 1 and 2. It have 1 is the prime one is a factor and itself number is also factor. Okay, that is a prime number. But I am telling you the number which is divisible by, which is not exactly divisible by 2, that is a prime number. So here what will happen? 2 is divisible by 2 table. So is it exactly divisible? So that's why one objection is there. After it, if you count like 3, it is not exactly divisible. So this is our prime. If you count 4, it is divisible by 2, so it is not a prime number. But 5 is not exactly divisible by 2, so it is a prime number. So some objection will come in that one. So but like that also, but this rule is wrong. Okay, now prime number is exactly not divisible by 2. This is wrong. Prime number means simply you have to understand the number which have two factors, that is the 1, or the number which is given itself number, if it is there, that is a prime. Okay, now composite number means the number which have more than two factors. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, so we have to write. So let's I will write the first prime number. Okay, now I will write the prime number. I will write the prime number between that. Okay, now then after I will write the composite number here. Okay, now I will write composite number. Okay, so let's talk about the prime number between 1 to 10. So 11 is a prime number, 13 is a prime number, 14 is it not prime number because it have more factors. 14 is not prime, 15 is also not prime because it have not. 17 is a prime, 19 is a prime, 23 is a prime number, 29 is a prime number. Whatever number I am written, it have only one factor, or the number which is given itself number, it have a factor. These are the prime numbers. Okay, is it clear? Let's talk about composite number. Composite number means which have more than two factors. Like 12 is there. 12 have more factors. 14 have more factors. 15 have more factors. 15 is divisible by 2, 3, 5 and 15. This is have more factors. That's why. Okay, now let's talk about another one. Like 16. Okay. 18. Okay. 20. 21. 22. Okay. 24. 25, 26 and 27 and 28 and 29 is not, that is the 30. Okay, na? So these are the composite numbers. Is it clear? Now let's talk about the fifth one. Okay, so what is your fifth question is telling? The fifth question is that the numbers 17 and 71 are prime numbers. Both these numbers have same digit 1 and 7. Find two more such pairs of a prime numbers below 100. Okay, so what is the answer? This question is telling, like if you see 17 is there, this is a prime number. If you turn this, you know, if you change the 117 like that, if you change this number like 71, so if you change like that 71, then this number have to be prime number. 17 is also prime. If you after changing that number, this is 71 we got, and 71 is also prime. So like that number we have to write 2. We have to digit 1 and 7. Okay, na? We like if you same digit 1 and 7. Okay, na? And two more such prime numbers we have to write. We have to write more. We have to write such pairs more than 2 between 100. Like if it is, let's suppose this is 21 is there. 21 is a prime number. 21 is a prime number. No, it is not there. Okay, let's talk another one. If I talk about this, let's suppose this is any number, it is prime. Right, 13 is a prime number. Okay, like 13 is there. Okay, let's take another. 17 is there. 19 is that. Okay, let's take another example. 19 is a prime number. Okay, this is a prime number. Okay, is it prime number? Because it have two factors, 1 and 19. If you change this number, it's become 91. It's become 91. Okay, now this is prime. Is 91 is a prime number? No, 91 is not prime because it is divisible by 1 also. It is going to divisible by 8 also. It is going to divisible by 91 also. So it have more than two factors. So this is not a prime. So we have to write that number only, which is this number have to be prime also, and after the changing whatever its number, it have to be prime number also. Okay, na? Like that. And the number have to be below 100. Okay, na? So let's check it out. If you see 11 are there, 12, 13. Let's 13. If you see the 13, okay, 13 are there, it is a prime. If you change 13, it become 31. Is 30 is a prime number? Yes. Is 31 is also prime? Yes, it is there. Okay, that's good. We did it first one. Like that, 17 are there. 17 is there. If you change 17, it's become 71. 17 is also prime. 71 is also prime. So that's good. We can do. We do 2 1. Okay, na? Let's do another one. 19 is there. 90 is a prime. If you change 91, is 91 is a prime? No, 91 is not prime. So this is wrong. We cannot do this. If you see 23. 23 is a prime number, but if you change this, it become 32. Is 32 is a prime? No, it is not there. Okay, now like that, if you go as a 27, 20, if you do 29, 29 is a prime number. If you change 29, it's become 92. Is 92 is a prime number? It is not prime because it have more than 2 factors. Okay, now that's why. So we have to think that number. Like if you think like 37, if you change 37, it's become 73. 37 is also prime. 73 is also prime. So I hope you will understand. So you have to write 2 such pairs. So that is the 13 equals to 31. Okay, 37 which is equals to 73. Okay, this is the only answer. Okay, these are the such pair of the prime numbers. Okay, right. So this is the answer. I hope you will understand this one. So let's do the 6th question. So the 6th question is that write 3 pairs of twin prime below 20. Okay, so now this question is telling we have to write 3 pairs of twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers, you know, 3 pair we have to write. Twin prime number, the number which is going to be next of next prime number. Okay, na? Like that. This is like 1 is not a prime number. Prime number is 2 is there. After that, the 3 is prime number. But this is not a twin prime number. Why? Because in this one there is no gap of 1 number. We need 1 gap of particular 1 number. Okay, na? 1 gap we need. Okay, na? 3 pairs we have to write. Okay, na? And twins prime number, the number which is exactly after that number. Like this is 3 is there, it is a prime, it is a prime number. After the 1 gap there is a 4. After the 5, okay, 5 is also prime, 3 is also prime. So this is the our twin prime number. Why? Because it have only 1 gap, and that gap is the called the twin prime numbers. Twin prime was simply in the between there is a 1 gap, and after that number, after the prime number, whatever number is there, that have to be our you know what, it have to be a prime number only. Next 2 is a prime number, after the next 3 is also prime number, but this is not a twin prime. Twin prime means if it is the prime, after the number have to be not prime, and after that one the next number have to be prime. Okay, like 5. These are the twin primes, because 3 is a prime, in the between there is a not prime number, and exactly after that it is a prime. So these are the twin primes. Okay, right. So let's write this. We have to write 3 pairs of below 20. Okay, na? Like that we can write like 3 and 5 you can write. Okay, 3 and 5 you can write. If you write 5 and 7 also, 5 and 7, because these are the prime numbers only. If you talk about 7 and 9, 9 is not a prime number. You will say 11, sir. 7 and 11. So it have only 1 gap. This is a 7, and then exactly have to be 1 gap here. Then after that, after the 7, 8 is there, and after that 9 have to be 7 and 9. But 9 is not a prime, so this is not be rule. So 7 and 11, it have not 1 number gap. It have totally the 4 number gap. So this is not a twin prime. Okay, na? Right. So let's talk about 11 and 30. Okay, 11 and 13. It have only 1 gap. 11 is there, it is 12, then after 30. So this is also prime, this is also prime. Okay, if you talk about 13 and 15, then you are wrong. 15 is not a prime. 17 is a prime number. So 13 and 15, 13 and 17, this is not a twin prime. Why? Because after that we need only 1 gap. 13, this is below, this number have to be prime, but this is not prime. Okay, now this number have to be like 15 have to be prime. After the 13, 14 is there, after that have to be prime, that is 15, but 15 is not a prime. So that's why. So overall from below 20 there is a only 3 prime numbers, that is a 3 and 5, 5 and 7, and 11 and 30. Okay, so this is the our answer. Okay, is it clear to you? Right. So if it is clear, then let's talk about the 7th one. The 7th question is telling that write 2 prime numbers whose product is 35. Okay, we have to write 2 prime numbers, and product means multiplication. If you multiply 2 prime numbers, we have to get 35. What we have to do? We have to write two prime numbers. If you multiply that two prime numbers, it have the whatever after the multiplying, that have to be 35. So let's stop prime numbers. If you think 5 is a prime number, yes, 7 is also prime number. If you multiply 5 and 7, then it is going to be 35. Simply the answer is 5 and 7. Why? Because we need two prime numbers. So 5 is also prime number, 7 is also prime number. We have two prime numbers. And when you multiply these two prime numbers, product means multiply, the answer is 35. You have to take two prime numbers and you have to multiply that. After the multiplying, the answer have to be 35. So if you 5 and 7, if these are the two other prime numbers, if you multiply, your answer will be 35. So this is your answer. Okay, is it clear to you? Right, so if it is clear, then let's talk about the eighth one. Okay na? So the eighth question is that express 36 has a sum of two odd prime number. Okay, odd prime number. You know what is the generally meaning by odd prime number? Odd prime numbers means we have to take odd numbers. Odd means odd, like not like that. Okay now, prime number, if you take prime number, 2 is a prime number, but it is a not odd number. The number which is exactly divisible by 2, that is the even number. The number which is not exactly divisible by 2, that is the odd number. So this 2 is divisible by, this 2 will be, it is going to be divided. So this is a even number but not odd number. So what are the odd numbers? Like 3 is also prime, it is also odd number. Okay, if you talk about like if you talk about any number, 7 is there. 7 is also a prime number and it's odd number. Okay na? If you talk about another number like 11 is also there. 11 is also a prime number and odd number. Okay, like that. If you talk about another number, okay na, 9 is an odd number but it is not a prime number. Why? Because it have more than 3 factors, so that's why. Okay na? Right, so let's talk another one. Okay, right. So here what this question is telling, we have to express 36 as a sum of two odd numbers. We have to write two odd number, and when you add this two odd prime number, the answer have to be 36. Okay, this is a 17. 70 is an odd number, yes, it is there. Is 90 is also prime number? Yes. If you add this 2, you get 36. What this question is telling? Question is telling you have to add the two odd prime number. 17 is odd, yes. 19 is also odd, yes, it is odd number. That's good. Now let's check, is it a prime or not? 17 is a prime number or not? It is prime number. Why? Because it have only two factors, that is 1 and 17. Is it 9 is a prime number or not? Let's check. It have a 1 and 19. It have two factors. So this is a odd prime numbers. And when you add this odd prime number, if you add 17 and 19, what will be the answer? The answer will be 36. So this is the 36. The question is telling you have to take two odd prime number, and when you add this, your answer have to be 36. We take the two prime numbers and we added, after we get a 36. So this is our answer. Simply. Is it over? Right. So you can is it clear to you? Then we can go through the next question. The ninth question is that write 7 consecutive composite number less than 100. Okay, right. So this question you have a doubt. Sir, composite number, we know that the number which have more than two factors, but what is telling consecutive? Okay, less than 100. What is the mean by consecutive? Listen, consecutive numbers means the number which have exactly the number which is going in the line by line without any missing. You have to write 7 numbers like series wise, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, like that you have to write, and that all numbers have to be composite only. Like 1 is a composite, no it is not. 2 is a composite, no it is also not composite. 3 is a composite number, no it is not. 4 is composite, yes it is composite. 5 is a composite, no. 6 is a composite, yes. So here this is not a composite number series. Consecutive means line wise, we know line by we have to take the seven composite numbers line wise without missing anything. Okay, if you think like, yes sir, 11 12 13 14 15 16 17, these are the 7 composite numbers. Now these are the 7 consecutive in the like line wise numbers without any missing in this one. These are the 17 and 18, sir. Okay, now sir, let's check these are a composite or not. So if you check, 11 is a composite number, no it is not. 12 is a composite, yes. 13 is a not composite. Okay, 17 is not composite. Here we already missed the 3 1. Now this series become 12, 14, 16. So this is a not a consecutive. Okay now. Why this is not in the proper line? So that's why. So what we have to do? We choose a number. If you think 90, 91, 92, 93, 94 and 95 and 96. These are the composite number by the consecutive. This is in the series. If you see 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. Is it all in the 7? Is it continuously? Yes, it is continuously. Now 90 is a composite number or not? Yes, it is there. 91 is composite or not? It is there. 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. These all are the composite numbers, and these all numbers are the one proper series. So these are our answer. If you say, sir, we can take 99 also, 98 also, 97 also, 96 also, 95 also, 94 also, 93 also. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. These are also in series. Okay, that's good. This is in the series. Okay, this is in the series, but we need composite series. Is 99 is a composite? Yes, it is there. 98 is also composite. Is 97 is a composite number? It is not composite number. 96 is composite, 95 is composite, 94 is composite, 93 is composite, but 97 is not a composite number. Remember. So what will your number become? Your number become like that: 97, 98, 96. One number is not here. So this is not in the proper segment, but this is 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. These are in the proper way of the 7, and these all are the consecutive numbers. Okay, na consecutive composite number. These all are the composite numbers. Consecutive means in proper line. Okay, na. So this is your answer, not this. Okay, right. So is it clear to you? Right. So let's talk about the 10th question. Express 53 as a sum of 3 prime number. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to write the 3 prime numbers, and whenever you add these 3 prime numbers, our answer have to be 53. Okay, so let's take, if you take, this is 13, this is 17, this is 23. 13 is also prime, 17 is also prime, 23 is also prime. If you add this number, your answer will be 53 only. Okay, your answer will be 53. If you think these are the fact, we have to take 3 prime numbers. We already take 3 prime numbers, and after that if you add this, the answer will be 53. Yes, we did. And if you have other question also, so you can add like that also. Like 3 is also prime number, 7 is also there, and after that this is 10 is there, and then after 10 this is 43. Okay, 3 is a prime, 4 is a prime, 43 is also prime. If you add 43 plus 7, 53, this is also, the answer will be 53. So you can write like this one also or this one also. Okay na? But once check this 43 is a prime on this is a prime number or not. Okay na? So it will be okay. You can write like that: 3 plus 7 plus 43. We have to write 3 prime numbers. Okay na? We have to write 3 prime numbers. Already written, here also written. So after the writing the 3 prime numbers, if you add, the answer have to be 53. We have. So you can write this one also and this one also, as you can see. Okay na? You can write 7 3 7. You can write like that: 3 7 43. Okay na? Okay, 3 7 10 10. After that you can write 43. You can write this one also and this one also. Both of this you can write any one of this, because both are the 3 primes. Here also 3 primes, here also 3 primes. After the adding, the answer is 53. Over. Okay, right. So now let's talk about the 11th question. Write 2 prime numbers whose difference is 10. Okay, we have to write 2 prime numbers whose difference is 10. Okay na? So how you can do this one? Simply, if you write 2 prime numbers, write the 2 prime numbers and difference is 10. Difference means 10. So this is 13 is a prime number. Yes, it is prime number. If you subtract, and is it 3 is also prime number? Yes. If you subtract this both are prime number, the answer have to be 10 only. Okay na? Is it clear to you? The question is telling you have to write 2 prime numbers, and after the subtracting the 2 prime numbers, the answer have to be 10. So I written 13 is a prime number, 3 is also prime number. After subtracting this, I got answer 10. You can do another way also. You can do like 17 is also prime number, 7 is also prime number. If you subtract, the answer will be this one also. Okay now. So we have to write two prime numbers. So 17 is also prime number, 7 is also prime number, and if you subtract both of that, your answer will be 10. You can write this one also, this one also. Otherwise, if you have another question, you can write like that also. Like if you subtract this 31 minus 11 1, 21 is not a prime number, so 17 also you can do like this. Otherwise 11 minus 1 is not a prime number. Okay, so 13 minus 2 you can do like this. 13 is also prime number. Okay, and not 2, you can divide with 10 only. Okay, 13 is 3, we already did. 17 into 7 you did. Okay now, so after 19 and 9 you can, 9 is not a prime number. Okay, now if you're thinking like 19 minus 9, 19 is a prime number, that's good, but 9 is not a prime number, it is our composite number, so that's why. So you can do like this. Okay, now 13 to 3 or 17 to 7, you can write in both of this, you can write anyone in this one. Okay, right. So let's talk about the 12th question. Write 3 pairs of prime number less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. Okay, this question is very interesting. We have to write 3 pairs of prime numbers less than 20. We have to write 3 pairs of prime numbers. Okay na, and that's going to be divisible by the 5. Okay na, 3 pairs of prime number. Okay na, right. So 3 pairs of prime number we have to write, and which is less than 20, and that is going to be divisible by 5. Okay, so you can write like this: 2 plus 3, that is 5. It is also divisible by 5. Okay na, you can write 7 plus 13, this is 20. Otherwise you can write 5 plus 5, that is 10. 2 and 3 are the prime numbers. Okay, and after it is less than 20, yes, and if you add this one, it is going to be divisible by 5. 7 plus 13, this is 20, it is also divisible by 5. 5 plus 5, both are the prime numbers. If you add, the answer is 10. So if you divide by 10, it is going to divisible by 5. Okay, now if you think like this, 7 plus 3, okay, these are the prime numbers. Okay, now 7 plus 3, this is also a prime number. If you add, this is 10, so it is also going to divisible by 5. Okay, now if you think like that also, if you do like, if you're thinking like 3 pairs we have to write, so 3 pairs you can write like this: 7 plus 3 plus 5, both are the prime numbers. If you add this one, the answer is 15. It is also going to divisible by 5. So you can write this one also, this one also, and this one also, anything you can write. Okay na, we have to write the 3 pairs of the prime numbers. Simply you can write like that: 7 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5, this is, okay na, not 5 plus 5. Okay na, that's, you can write 7 also. Okay, like that. Okay, that's one. Okay, 7 plus 3 plus 5, if you add this 3 prime numbers, if you add, this is the 15. It is also divisible by 5. Otherwise, if you simply want to be right, write like this: 3 pairs, this is 1 pair, this is 2 pair, this is a 3 pair. 2 plus 5, 2 plus 3, that's 5, it is divisible by 5. 20 also divisible, 10 also divisible. So you can write like that one also, and if you want to be show that one, so you can write this one also. Okay na, so I hope this is going to be clear to you. Okay na, right. So you write this one only, so you can write like that. Okay now I can erase this. Okay, so you can write like that also. Okay na, 2 comma 3, okay, and 7 comma 13, okay, and 5 comma 5. Why? Because if you 2 plus 3 5, it is divisible by 5. 7 plus 30 20, it is also divisible by 5. 10, it is also divisible by 5. Okay, is it over to you? Right. So okay, what is in this next? Nothing is this next. This chapter is ended here only. Okay na? So I given my 100% to this chapter, and I explained this chapter, and the video is 1 hour. So if you have any doubt in this one, if you didn't understand anything, then please tell to me. Don't worry about it, this is what will happen or what will not happen. If you didn't understand anywhere, any point, if you're not understanding, then please, you don't worry about mathematics. Okay, now you just comment. I will explain that question or that whatever your problem, I will explain that again to you. Okay now, so always remember, I am here to teach you only. I am here to teach you, and you are here to learn. So if you have any doubt or any confusion, then don't worry about it, just comment and I will explain it again. Okay na? So I hope you will have not a doubt, and if you have a doubt, then you can go through that. And after the ending of this video, I will explain one thing. Factorization means what? Factorization means the number which is divisible by that particular number, and whatever it is are the dividing, okay na, that are the factors, okay na. Like this is a 20, this is 24, so 24 will be divided in how many tables, that are the factors, okay. This is 4 is divisible by how many numbers, and the numbers are the factors, okay. What is the prime number? Prime number means the number which have two factors, and what are those? That are the one or itself number, okay na. These are the our prime number, okay na. Composite number means simply the number which have more than two factors, more than two factors are the composite numbers. Is it clear? So these are the things which we have to learn, and I already explained you, because everything is clear, okay. So I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you, and we will meet into the next video. Jai Hind.